Hello everyone, I am Megha Pathak from Arden Progressive School, your bio teacher. Children, as you know that we are revising the chapter, so from today onwards we are starting the chapter Heredity and Evolution. And in this chapter, evolution part has been eliminated by CBSE, and this year this will not come in your exam. Okay, so let's begin with it. So children, similarities and differences between the organisms are the result of two very important phenomena: heredity and variations. So what is heredity? The passing on of characters from parents to offspring, okay, is called heredity or inheritance. And the differences in the characters in the organisms of a species are called variations, okay, and variations are the result of reproduction, either sexual or asexual.
Children variations produced during asexual reproduction are much less than the variations produced during sexual reproduction. Because during asexual reproduction, variations are introduced only due to small inaccuracies in DNA replication, and there is no exchange of hereditary material between paternal and maternal chromosomes and gamete formation, because there is no fusion of male and female gametes. So these are the reasons that why variations are produced during asexual reproduction are much less than the variations produced during sexual reproduction. And variations that appear in the offspring of one generation are passed on to the offspring of the next generation, and so on. And also in each generation they acquire and add some new variations. देखिए वेरिएशंस जो दिखाई देते हैं ऑफस्प्रिंग में एक जनरेशन के, और वही वेरिएशंस नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में भी पास ऑन होते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो इन ईच जनरेशन दे एक्वायर एंड ऐड सम न्यू वेरिएशंस. और ये भी पॉसिबल है कि जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है उसमें कुछ और नए वेरिएशंस हो. एंड दिस इज द वे हाउ वेरिएशंस एक्यूमुलेट एंड आर पास्ड ऑन टू मोर एंड मोर इंडिविजुअल्स. देखिए जो वेरिएशंस हैं जब ये ऑफस्प्रिंग में अपीयर होते हैं तो ये उस जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में भी पास ऑन होते हैं, और नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में भी कुछ चेंजेस हो सकते हैं, कुछ नए वेरिएशंस ऐड हो सकते हैं. और इसी तरीके से जो वेरिएशंस हैं दे गेट एक्यूमुलेटेड एंड दे आर पास्ड ऑन टू मोर एंड मोर इंडिविजुअल्स. एंड दिस यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एग्जाम्पल. सी द सिंगल पेरेंट एट द टॉप in the presenting figure divides into two, and these two further divide to form four individuals asexually, and all of them have inherited the same body design along with some differences from their parents, and also they have acquired some difference unique to them. Children, we can understand this with the help of this example. देखिए जो टॉप में जो पेरेंट है it is dividing asexually and it is forming टू इंडिविजुअल्स, और इनका बॉडी डिज़ाइन सेम है. एंड द टू इंडिविजुअल्स अगेन दे आर रिप्रोड्यूसिंग एसेक्सुअली एंड दे आर फॉर्मिंग फोर इंडिविजुअल्स. और इन सभी में अगर हम ध्यान से देखेंगे तो बहुत थोड़ा डिफरेंस है, बट दे ऑल हैव द सेम बॉडी डिज़ाइन. एंड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ वेरिएशंस different individuals would have different advantages, like bacteria which can withstand heat will survive better in a heat wave. Traits or characteristics which are passed on from parents to their offspring, generation to generation, are controlled by gene. Children, see, traits और characteristics जो कि पेरेंट्स से उनके ऑफस्प्रिंग में पास ऑन होते हैं फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन, ये जीन्स के द्वारा कंट्रोल्ड होते हैं. और व्हाट इज जीन? A section of DNA that provides information for one protein is called gene. And due to the differences in genetic makeup, human populations show a great deal of variations in the expression of various traits. For example, height, skin color, eye color, shape of nose, lips and ears, blood groups, etc. Now children, next topic is the inheritance of traits. The rules for inheritance of traits in human beings are related to the fact that both father and mother contribute equal amount of genetic material to the child. And this means that each trait can be influenced by both paternal and maternal DNA. See children, in human beings, father and mother both contribute इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ जेनेटिक मटीरियल टू द चाइल्ड. देखिए चाइल्ड में जो जेनेटिक मटीरियल है वो फादर और मदर दोनों ही साइड से आता है इक्वली. और इसका मतलब जो हर एक ट्रेट है वो दोनों ही साइड के डीएनए यानी कि पैटर्नल और मैटर्नल डीएनए दोनों से ही इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होता है. Thus, for each trait, there will be two versions in the child. And this we can understand with the help of Mendel's experiment. The inheritance of trait. See, Mendel, he did experiments on garden pea. And he studied in inheritance of one character at a time. So first understand inheritance of traits for one contrasting character. So for this, Mendel took pea plants with different characteristics such as height. देखिए सबसे पहले मेंडल ने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया ऐसे पी प्लांट पे, दो पी प्लांट पे. एक प्लांट की हाइट ज़्यादा थी, वन वॉज टॉल एंड द अदर वन वॉज डॉर्फ पी प्लांट. एंड ही ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट प्रोजेनी प्रोड्यूस्ड from them in F1 generation. They all were tall. And then he allowed F1 progeny plants to undergo self-pollination. And in the F2 generation, he found that all plants were not tall. 3/4 were tall and 1/4 of them were short. And this observation indicated that both the traits of dwarfness and tallness were inherited in F1 generation, but only the tallness trait was expressed in F1 generation. देखिए जब मेंडल ने F1 जनरेशन के प्रोजेनी प्लांट्स में जब उसने सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन किया तो F2 जनरेशन में उसने देखा कि सारे प्लांट्स टॉल नहीं थे. 3/4 were tall and 1/4 were dwarf plants. And this observation indicated that both the traits of shortness and tallness were inherited in F1 generation. और इस observation से ये indicate हुआ कि F1 generation में दोनों ही traits pass on हुए थे, लेकिन उनमें से एक ही trait appear हुआ और दूसरा trait hidden था. और जो trait appear हुआ वो dominant trait है और जो hidden trait था वो recessive trait है. Two copies of the traits are inherited in each sexually reproducing organisms. And if we see the genotype of these traits, so capital TT is the genotype of tall plants and small tt is the genotype of dwarf plants. And capital T, small t is the genotype of hybrid plants, means the progeny of F1 generation. They all have genotype capital T small t क्योंकि इसमें दोनों ही traits पास ऑन हुए थे, लेकिन उनमें से एक डोमिनेंट है और दूसरा रिसेसिव. एंड इन F2 जनरेशन both the characters are recovered, though one of these is not seen in F1 stage. During gamete formation, the factors or allele of a pair segregate from each other. And if we see the genotypic ratio of F2 generation, it is 1:2:1. And the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Now children, let's understand the inheritance of traits for two visible contrasting characters. For this, Mendel took pea plants with two contrasting characters. That is, one with a green round seed and the other one with a yellow wrinkled seed. When the F1 progeny were obtained, they had round and yellow seeds, thus establishing that round and yellow are dominant traits. देखिए जब मेंडल ने दो कंट्रास्टिंग पेयर्स में टेस्ट क्रॉस किया and these two contrasting characters were one with green round seed. एक टाइप का जो प्री प्लांट थे उनके सीड्स थे ग्रीन और राउंड, और जो दूसरा कैरेक्टर उसने लिया वो था येलो सीड्स विथ रिंकल्ड, मीन्स येलो रिंकल्ड सीड उसने लिए। और F1 प्रोजेनी में उसने देखा कि सभी प्लांट्स जो थे उनमें येलो और राउंड सीड्स थे। येलो एंड राउंड ट्रेट्स, these are dominant traits. And then he allowed the F1 progeny to be self-crossed to obtain F2 progeny. And he found that seeds were round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow and some were wrinkled green. और उसने देखा जो F2 जनरेशन है उसमें जो सीड्स हैं वो राउंड येलो हैं, राउंड ग्रीन, wrinkled yellow और कुछ सीड्स wrinkled green थे। And the ratio of plants with above characteristics were 9:3:3:1. And in F2 generation, all the 4 characters were assorted out independent of the others. Therefore, he said that a pair of alternating or contrasting characters behaves independently of the other pair. For example, seed color is independent of seed coat. So children, today we have revised variations and Mendel's experiments. These experiments are very important और इनके बेसिस पे एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। So children, I will share a PDF of questions and these questions you have to do in your notebook.